know that we have sent a petition to the Supreme Court, and we are eagerly awaiting the outcome. The chairman is going to address you on the issues that the board has discussed. I just want to mention here that 2 days ago, I got a phone call from the Secretary General of United Nations, Mr. Guterres. Mr. Guterres called me to talk to me about the developments in our country, in the region generally. I briefed him about what has happened in our country, the outcome of our general elections, and the that we have initiated to get a satisfactory solution to this problem. He was, of course, very grateful to the manner in which you have behaved and the way in which you have conducted everything up to now. I gave him an assurance that Kenya's democracy must mature and that we are determined to pursue legal and constitutional means to resolve the disputes that we have over the decision by the IBC to try to hijack our victory. We also talked about regional issues, security in this region, the Horn generally, and we told him that we are very much committed to ensuring stability in this region, that we will continue to make our contribution as a country when we get
we've had previously.